guys, welcome back. We're going to be unbagging our Nadine West for the month of October. And as you might can see, my bag looks a little different than usual. And that's because Nadine West reached out to me and offered an affiliate program with me. So I am now an affiliate with Nadine West. And what that means is I'll be able to have more Nadine West clothes, and I do a lot of get ready with me reels over on Instagram and Facebook. I do a lot of reels showing how to style the things already in your closet and how to style new and trending clothes. And so if you're not following me over on Instagram and Facebook, head over there and follow me really quick, because and I'll link my handles down below for that, so it'll be a little easier, but you can't just type in my name. But yeah, they offer an affiliate program with me, and so I will be doing these every month and showing you the different styles that they send. And like I said, I'll show you over on my other social medias how to style everything. So alright, let's open this box and see what they sent us. Right, so we're just going to open this perforation at the top. Make sure not to tear up your bag, because it's really easy just to send things back, because if you pull at the perforation, it'll open, and then see it's already got like a little pull seal, so when you send everything back, you can just kind of tape it back down. So don't tear up your bag, and you won't have to use packing tape or anything like that. You can just pull at that perforation at the top, and it makes it a lot easier. Alright, so we got a little roll here, and we got this top. Oh, this is a nice little sweater, but it's got some like rips in the sleeves. I like that. I'm not sure how this color will look on me. So far it looks good, just holding it up like this, but we're going to do a try on at the end, so we'll see how everything works out at the end. And here's some like velour pants. Oh, they're flares. I love flare pants. Usually don't go for like the suede velour type material, but the fact that they're flares kind of makes it all worth it. I hope these fit really well, because I love flares, leg jeans, or pants in general. So okay. What else they sent us? Okay. Open this up. Oh, it's like a dress. Okay. Oh, and it's got the opening in the back. I like the color. I'm interested to see how this looks on me, because dresses like this tend to lose my shape in, but oh, the sleeves have like a bell sleeve to them. Okay, I hope this works out, because I like that. And then we've got a top, and it's got a tie in the back. It's kind of a flowy top. I do like the color, and I like the design. It's just more like something between like a polka dot and like a leopard print spotted shirt. So that one's cute. And then we have some pants, some black pants, and it comes with a belt. That's the first time I've ever seen it actually come with a belt. That's nice. So you got your black pants and your brown belt, which I love pairing black and brown. So I hope those fit well too, because I like that. And then we got necklace. Oh, it's kind of tangled. Let's get it untangled here. That happens sometimes. Okay, we recovered. It's good. This is really pretty. Oh, I like that. It's going to sit like right here, which is what I love. And it's just got some little medallions. It's like that kind of brushed metal. And it's gold. So that's going to be pretty on. I like that. Okay. I'm excited to try these on and see how they fit. And I'm excited to style them. So let's do a try on and see how it all fits. Okay. These are absolutely amazing. These like sucked me in through here and smoothed out all my curves. It's got like a ribbed pattern to it, and like I said, they're like that suede velour fabric, and they fit like they were made for me, and I love that they're flares. And this material will be really good going into fall and winter. Oh, I love this. I could even wear it with like this, with a jean jacket and some brown boots. And that would be so friggin' cute. Ah, I love these. So these are a definite. I absolutely love these pants. If you get these, they are $27.99, which is not bad at all. I would definitely pay for that in a store. I'd actually probably pay a little more for that in the store, so that is a good price. So, thumbs up for these. I love these pants. This shirt, I was not super crazy about it at first, but I love the rip sleeves on this. They go all the way down. It's so cute and edgy, and I really haven't seen one like this. So I feel like this will be very trending. I feel like this is going to be kind of a sneak peek into what we can see this fall and winter in style. And it is so comfortable. It is the softest material. I actually do feel like the color looks nice on me. At first I wasn't sure. I don't normally gravitate to these type of colors, but they all come together really good. And these pants are the most comfortable pants, and they fit so good. They've got a cuff down here at the end, and the length is perfect for me. I'm 5'2", and they fit perfect right where I need them to. And the belt is just a cute little style pop for these pants. Nadine West has definitely been up in their game on quality. Like, this is the softest shirt I've tried on in a while. Like, it's super comfortable, but it's also very stylish. And in my last package that I got, I kept a brown and yellow sweater, and it is so very comfortable. So the quality is really amping up with Nadine West. And I like how they're starting to throw in things like the belt and stuff like that. There's little pops of style that kind of are in addition to what they're already sending. So I like this outfit. So I'm going to try on the other top with these pants too and see what they look like together, because I think they'll look really good together. This top goes so good with these pants. And I tried on the necklace with this top because I felt like it looked really good with the high neckline. Wear this and it just kind of gives it that little extra something in that blank space. This is like super comfortable, super flowy. Going into the fall and winter, you could just throw on a little blue jean jacket with this and some little brown boots, and you've got yourself a whole nice transitional outfit. It's a longer top, so if you like your tops longer, you could wear it out. Covers the bum, so you could just wear some tights with it. You could very easily make this casual, wear this top tights and some cute sneakers with a blue jean jacket, and you'd have a casual outfit too. But I feel like they go really good with these pants, and I love it. I love the length of this necklace. I love the color of this top and how it fits me. And like I said before, the pants are just like they were made for me. So I like this outfit too. So it's another thumbs up for this one. And I forgot to mention, it ties in the back in this cute little bow. So like, how cute is that? It's not a button. It actually ties, and you get a cute little detail in the back for this top too. So I wanted to point that out before we moved on. So I'm gonna go try on that blue dress now. Okay, I love the sleeves of this dress. And the color actually does, I feel like, look nice on me. It's got this cute little opening in the back. So that is cute. I'm not a big dress person, so I'm really trying to like this dress. Y'all are gonna have to put me some comments and some love down below, because I'm not a dress person. I just feel very exposed. I don't know when I wear a dress, but I feel like it looks really nice though, and with like some cute wedges, or some little tall boots. This could definitely, I like the length of the sleeves. It doesn't come all the way down. It's about a 3/4 length sleeve with the bell sleeve. This dress has so many nice details to it, and it has that kind of boho chic feel to it, which is 100% my style. So just because of that, it hits my style perfectly with the bell sleeves and the actual fit of it. I feel like I lose my shape a little bit in it, but I might can throw like a belt with it maybe. What do you guys think? What do you think about this dress? Y'all are going to have to leave me some love in the comments down below to keep this dress, because I like it. I'm just not sure if I'd actually wear it, because I don't wear a lot of dresses. But if I was going to wear a dress, it would be this one, because it is so cute and comfy, and it's my style to a T. So let me know what you guys think about this one. Alright guys, so that wraps up our unbagging of our Nadine West shipment for the month of October. I didn't say the prices for everything. The velour pants were $27.99. That loose top, the little silky top with the high neckline, was $27.99 as well. The black pants were $27.99. The top with the ripped sleeves was $27.99. The blue dress is $34.99, and this necklace here is $34.99. So nothing's over $35, which is a huge plus, because if you go into a store, you know, everything's super expensive now. So it is still very affordable, which is one thing I love about Nadine West. If you are thinking about trying them and you haven't before, I'll put my link down below. I believe with my link you get $10 off and free shipping on your first order if you've never tried Nadine West before. So I'll put that down below, and you can just copy and paste it. Overall, I really liked it. I think my favorite thing, oh man, what? My favorite thing, I think, was the velour pants. But I think my most wore item will be the black pants. They're very versatile. You can just throw a sweater on with them. You can throw a nice top on with them. You can wear them with boots. You can wear them with heels. You can wear them with sneakers. Like, they're very versatile. So I think I will actually wear those more than anything else. The necklace is really nice. I love the length of it. I love gold. So overall, I think this was a really good shipment. Y'all, let me know what was your favorite thing, and let me know what you think about the dress, because I'm just, I don't know about dresses. I just don't know. But I may give that one a try because I do love it. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my unboxing of my Nadine West for the month of October. If you do not mind, show me some love. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you know when I upload another video. I do a bunch of unboxings over here and a bunch of reviews and try-ons and such and hauls and all the good things. So make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can get updates for all of that. And yeah, show me some love in the comments down below. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.